Experiment 2. Acid-base reactions. The word acid is derived from Latin word acidus, meaning sour to taste. An acid is defined as a substance that tastes sour in water. Base is defined as a substance that tastes bitter in water. Also, acid is a substance which dissociates to give hydronium H3O plus ions in aqueous solution, and a base is a substance which dissociates to give hydroxyl OH minus ions in aqueous solutions. Indicators are complex organic compounds which undergo a change of color with change of acidic, neutral or basic medium. Litmus, a natural dye from plants, methyl orange, organic base pigment, and phenolphthalein, an organic acid, are three commonly used indicators to determine the acidic or basic nature of a solution by a characteristic change in color.
Aim: to study the properties of an acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, by its reaction with 1. Litmus solution, blue or red. 2. Zinc metal. 3. Solid sodium carbonate. Apparatus: hard glass test tubes, test tube holder, zinc metal. Chemicals: sodium carbonate and distilled water, hydrochloric acid, litmus solutions blue and red. Procedure: 1. Take 2 test tubes. Put small quantity of dilute HCl in both the test tubes. Put few drops of blue litmus solution in one test tube containing dilute HCl and a few drops of red litmus solution in another test tube. Observe the change in color in both the test tubes. 2. Put some pieces of zinc metal in a dry test tube. Now add some dilute HCl in a small quantity in test tube and observe the change. 3. Take small quantity of sodium carbonate in a dry test tube and add slowly few drops of dilute HCl. Observe the change. Pass the gas evolved through lime water. Again, observe the change. Observation table. Experiment 1. Litmus solution. A. Take dilute HCl in a test tube and add few drops of blue litmus solution. Observation: blue litmus turns red. Inference: HCl is acidic in nature. B. Take dilute HCl in a test tube and add few drops of the red litmus solution. Observations: no change in the color of the red litmus solution. Inference: acids do not affect red litmus solution, and this shows that HCl is an acid. Experiment 2. Zinc metal. Add zinc metal into a test tube containing dilute HCl. Observations: colorless combustible gas comes out forming large bubbles. Inference: zinc reacts vigorously with dilute HCl forming hydrogen gas. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2 dilute. Experiment 3. Sodium carbonate. A. Take some sodium carbonate in a dry test tube and add slowly few drops of dilute HCl. Observations: colorless gas with brisk effervescence is evolved. Inference: when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute HCl, it produces CO2. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives dilute 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Experiment 3b. Pass the gas through lime water. Observation: lime water turns milky. Inference: CO2 reacts with lime water to form insoluble calcium carbonate. CaOH2 plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2O. Note: when this gas is passed for longer duration, the milkiness disappears due to formation of calcium bicarbonate, which is water soluble. Precautions: HCl should be handled with care as it may cause burning of skin and clothes. Small quantities of Zn and dilute HCl should be used for the reaction, otherwise large amount of hydrogen gas will be produced which may cause explosion.
Questions and answers. Question 1. What happens when we put blue litmus paper in an acidic solution? Answer. Acidic solution turns blue litmus paper red. Question 2. What type of reaction takes place when zinc is added to dilute HCl? Answer. Exothermic reaction occurs. Question 3. Name the gas which is evolved when we add few drops of dilute HCl to sodium carbonate. Answer. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Question 4. How does soda ash differ from washing soda? Answer. Soda ash is anhydrous sodium carbonate Na2CO3, whereas washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate Na2CO3 10H2O.